Hi guys, welcome back to KitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today, we are not only making a new recipe, we want to address the questions that we received from you guys, our loyal viewers, regarding our first recipe that became viral. Let's start a Q&A session on how to make fluffy, spongy and easy pineapple cake. You will find a link to the original, super popular and very delicious recipe at the end of this video. There are 10 questions that we are going to answer today. Here comes the first question. Why did we use 6 eggs? As I already said, we didn't add any butter or oil. So extra eggs will bring more moisture to the biscuit and make it fluffier and spongy. Second question. Did we use any brown sugar? No, we kept it simple. No any brown sugar. Question number 3. Did we add baking powder? No, there is no need for baking powder. Just whisk eggs and sugar at least for 5 minutes. The mixture should be very fluffy before you add flour. The more time you mix, the fluffier your cake will be. Question number 4. Did we use self-raising flour? No, we used the all-purpose flour. Question number 5. Did we add any butter or oil? There is no any butter or oil in this recipe. We just grease the baking pan with a little bit of vegetable oil. It will allow the cake to be taken out easily once it is baked. Question number 6. What size baking pan did we use? We used a square silicone pan 8.5 by 8.5 inch. Also, as an alternative, you can use a round 9-inch baking cake mold. 7th question. How much juice did we add? If you use canned pineapple, then just add juice from the can. If you use fresh pineapple, then add 1 cup of juice. Eighth question. When did we add juice? Let the cake cool down before adding any juice. Ninth question. Can we use fresh pineapple? Absolutely. We experimented with different fruits, both fresh and canned, and they worked very well. So far we used pears, peaches, apples, and they were very delicious. 10th question. Did we put any cherries on the top? No, we didn't put any cherries on the top in the original recipe, but in the upside down version cherries look very attractive, so decorate it as you wish. Click here to watch the original pineapple cake recipe and don't forget to subscribe.